Hello, today I'm going to talk about something that I bought recently, which for me is a bit special. And it's this Axial SCX10 Jeep Wrangler G6 kit, which is unbuilt and was originally released 10 years ago in 2013. There was also a ready-to-run version which was slightly different, and that was called the Jeep Wrangler G6 Falcon Edition. It was a case of being in the right place at the right time with this one. I couldn't sleep one evening, so I was surfing on eBay and saw it at 3 AM in the morning listed as buy it now for £170 and free delivery. Sometimes I put items in my watch list hoping to get a discount offer, which has happened in the past, and I've got some good deals that way. But this had a lot of other people watching it, and because I thought it was already a good price, I bought it there and then before anyone else did. I think they used to cost around £280 to £300 here in the UK when they first came out, so I was more than happy to pay the asking price for this. I have 4 other Gen 1 SCX10s and 2 are ready to runs. The other 2 are second hand and built by the previous owners. I've never actually built an original SCX10 kit, and I'm really looking forward to building this one. In fact, the only Axial I have built from new was my SCX10-2 Jeep Cherokee kit, which I bought in 2018. The G6 kit version includes a few upgrades that didn't come with the ready-to-run version, and they are Icon Dynamics metal shocks, Axial front and rear metal lower suspension links, Axial metal steering links, and Axial Maxxis Trepador G5 sticky compound tyres. These days most of that comes as standard with an RC, but 10 years ago those extra upgrades included with a kit were a real bonus and would have cost a lot of money to buy separately. The electronics I'm using are from my spares, which have been taken out of my other RCs over the past few years, which will be perfectly okay to use in this build. The motor is this RC 4-wheel drive 45 turn brushed crawler motor. The ESC is this Dynamite 40 amp brushed ESC, which is waterproof. These have been used by Axial in some of their ready-to-runs, and I took this one out of my SCX10-2 Ford F100 ready-to-run when I upgraded it to a Spectrum Smart system recently. The servo is a Turnigy TGY-1501, which hasn't been used much. I have these in some of my other crawlers and they've been very reliable. One thing I need to buy is a driver, but that's not a problem because a 7-inch action figure fits nicely when it's cut off at the waist and hot glued in place, and there's plenty of cheap second-hand ones on eBay. I'm going to build this using all the kit parts except the plastic wheels and servo horn. And I'll be using these RC 4-wheel drive metal beadlock wheels and this generic metal servo horn. I'm going to paint the body box art white, but the front area around the grille will be black. My other SCX10 G6 has a black grille, and I prefer the look of that to the body being all one colour. I've no idea when this will get built because I still have my SCX10-2 UMG 4x4 kit to build. That was supposed to be my winter project, but because of more important things in my life I haven't got round to it yet, and I want to build that first. Right, that's about it for this one. If you'd like to see my other Axials mentioned in this video, there are links in the description box below. Thank you for watching.